I, Divyam Srivatsal of class 11th, on behalf of the entire Loyola family, welcome you all to the Loyola Annual Sports Meet 2014.
सुप्रभात अतिथि, माननीय अतिथिगण, अभिभावक तथा मीडिया के सम्मानित सदस्यगण, मैं उत्कर्ष 10वीं कक्षा का छात्र समस्त लोयोला परिवार की ओर से हमारे वार्षिक खेलोत्सव में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं।
Greeting us here on this auspicious occasion is the splendid morning today. The chilly gust of wind is certainly enunciating the glory of the school. Imitating the regal atmosphere of the campus are the enthusiastic students with vigor and gusto, quite apparent on their charismatic faces, with a feeling of pride instilled in their young souls. Wings of Imagination, the golden theme of Loyola Session 2014-15, has been designed for the same, to explore the hidden talents of the tender hearts and creative minds. And therefore, the school has introduced fancy names of the houses. Blue House as cosmonauts, Green House as cartographers, Red House as astronauts, and Yellow House as astronomers, so as to have the students take their first flight.
Sports Day is a red letter day on the calendar. It's a day when students are freed from their classrooms to jump and run around, freed from the fetters of learning. It's a day when academically struggling students can prove themselves. All in all, it's a day for triumph, disaster, success, failure, joy, disappointment, maturity, teamwork, selflessness, sportsmanship, and why not say it, of love.
Sports has got a unique dimension to it, an epitome of hard work and dedication. Sports are about those incredible moments where sheer human will and desire overcomes all the odds.
As I look around here to see your smiling faces, I feel very proud to be a Loyalite, and I want to express my deep gratitude to you all for joining us on our special day. हेमंत की ठंडी बयार में उमंग और उल्लास सर्वत्र झलकता दिख रहा है।
Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, our guest of honor is Anil Kumar Kumar, retired IAS, Vice President. Accompanying them is our special guest, Reverend Brother Clement. And towards the main dais by the Scott party, comprising Shubham Kumar Shanu.
कुछ साल नौकरी करने के बाद मांझी जी ने राजनीति में कदम रखा और 1980 में मांझी जी मुख्यमंत्री बनने से पहले बिहार सरकार में उप मंत्री, राज्य मंत्री और कैबिनेट मंत्री के पद
इधर देखो बाबू। अरे आप पीछे से लो ना यार, तैयारी करे कहाँ घुस गए।
Ladies and gentlemen, for me, it's both a privilege and honor on the behalf of the management, the staff, and the students of Loyola High School to welcome you all to our annual sports meet 2014, which is about to unfold in front of you in a short while. It's an added honor to welcome in our midst Sri Jitan Ram Manji, Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, as the chief guest for this mega event. On the behalf of everyone present here, I welcome him to Loyola and to this event. Your presence is a dream come true for all of us. Thank you, sir, for your magnanimity and graciousness. I extend a hearty welcome to Sri Anil Kumar Sinha, Vice Chairman of Bihar State Disaster Management Authority, as the guest of honor. Reverend Brother Clement S.D., Provincial Superior, Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel, Ranchi Province, as a special guest. Let's give a big round of applause for the dignitaries on the dais. The other dignitaries, brothers from other schools of the province, principals and administrators of neighboring schools, members of the school managing committee, members of the school PTA, members of school alumni association, friends from the media, and well-wishers, and above all, dear parents, welcome to annual sport meet 2014. The Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel, an international missionary society spread over 70 countries of the world, has an eye to see the invisible, to dream the impossible, and to scale the unconquerable. This institution is a fulfillment of one such impossible dream of the Montfortian Society. Since its inception in 1969, the school has scaled many heights, overcame many obstacles to stand where it is today. Together with banking, has always been an integral part of Loyola education. Our effort will be to develop intrinsic motivation in students, move to more and more student-led activities by which we can promote internal locus of control without needing constant push and pull from others. Being responsible in their words, actions, and the work they do. Beyond the obvious health and activity benefits, sports can teach us much about life. It teaches us about teamwork. It teaches us about how to get along with others. It teaches us to work together to achieve a common goal. It's also about trust and actions and the work they do. Beyond the obvious health and activity benefits, sports can teach us much about life. It teaches us about teamwork. It teaches us about how to get along with others. It teaches us to work together to achieve a common goal. It's also about trust and responsibility and about dealing with success and failure. Loyola High School recognizes the value of using sports as a vehicle for character development. As the Sports Meet 2014 is about to kick off, I acknowledge all the good work done by the former principals in making these facilities available to the students. The objective of holistic education cannot be achieved without the close cooperation of students, parents, and teachers. Today, I acknowledge all their contributions. Dear parents, we need to train our kids to take charge and trust that they will. Let them be responsible for their success and failure. As adults, we need to emulate the same and show them the right path and direction. What children learn from us is our attitudes, values, and perception. Let us ensure that our children get the right attitudes, values, and perception from us. This is the message we need to give collectively through the sports day and sports activities. In all of these efforts, we will need our parents to partner with us at all levels. After all, holistic education of our students is our common goal. I must sincerely thank each parent for their unrelenting support and hope they will continue to support us in our all small and big endeavors. I wish all of you a great time with us. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you to this annual Sport Meet 2014. May this Christmas season be a season of blessing for you and your families. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, brother, for your warm welcome.
देखिए प्राइज इसका भी है और आपका भी है।
अब हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री जीतन राम मांझी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री बिहार, विभिन्न टुकड़ियों के निरीक्षण के लिए परेड कमांडर सौरभ आनंद के साथ अग्रसर हो रहे हैं। परेड की अगुवाई कर रहे हैं स्कूल लीडर उत्सव आनंद और असिस्टेंट लीडर कौशिक अमृत राज। धीरे धीरे हमारे अतिथि महोदय स्काउट्स और एनसीसी लड़कियों की टुकड़ी का निरीक्षण करते हुए स्काउट्स का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं जस्टिन जेकब और देव विलिट। एनसीसी लड़कियों का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं राजनंदिनी और नंदिता रॉय। इनके उपरांत है एनसीसी लड़कों की टुकड़ी जिसकी अगुवाई कर रहे हैं आदित्य महोदय अपना स्थान ग्रहण करने के लिए अग्रसर हो रहे हैं।
अंकल कितना डिस्टर्ब करते हैं। हट जाओ हट जाओ हट जाओ।
Our next program is the March Past.
In 2014, leading the march past is our school leader, Uttam Anand, who is holding the school flag and is smartly approaching the main dais. Assisting him is Kaushik Amrit Raj. Next are the scouts, whose motto is be prepared, and they seem to be true to their motto. David are marching stately. Following them from behind is the NCC Girls Group, whose motto is unity and discipline. Leading the group is Rajnandini. Assisting her is